Hello everybody, this is Looney Tunes Fan 2000 CP. I'm doing a car review. And yeah, Spongebob will be coming, but just wanna make a little announcement. So, about the series of Pink Yoshi, I can't continue that series. One, Sonic is broken. Two, I can't find Pink Yoshi, so unfortunately, the Sonic series or the Yoshi and Laszlo series will continue, but let's just start off with the video. Hello everybody, this is Spongebob and I'm doing a car review. And yes, I just got these today. Well, the cameraman just got it, but that's besides the point. So, there's 10 of them. Oh yeah, and by the way, sorry for not doing a car review in like months, but you know how it is these days. So let's get started. Let's see, let's start with... I'm going... Let's say this black one over here. Uh-oh. The Tesla Model S. So I'll have that open in diecast. So this is how it looks like out of the package. Come on, camera. Focus on the car. So yeah. This how the car looks like. Camera doesn't want to focus. Let's do this one. 1973 Pontiac Firebird. So I have that package in a second. This how it looks like out of the package. It's slime green, and white. These are brand new. Just got them today. I'm gonna do this one. 1964 Lincoln Continental. So I have that out of the package in a jiffy. It's a lowrider, so that's how it looks like. It's like a reddish brown or brownish red. It's like gold temples, a W, Hot Wheels logo on it, gold rims. Yeah. Let's do this one. 1955 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Have this out the package. This is how this one looks like. It's like red with yellow flames. The 55, the year it came out. I don't even think I showed the front and the back of the car. Let me do that real quick. So, Hot Wheels logo, flames, engine, exhaust. Yeah, that's that. It's a racing version of it, and it's like a lowrider, I think. Let's do a truck. Let's do this. Dodge Ram 1500. So I'll be... This is how it looks like out of the package. Is gray and yellow. Yeah. Yellow and black rims. It's like the third generation. I don't know. The 2003 version. I don't know. I don't know what year this came out. Floor Masters. It's a monster truck version. It looks pretty nice. Oh yeah, the bed is light. Let's do this. 1969 Ford Tornado Talladega. So let's have that out. This one's one of my favorites because it has that green color and the yellow flames, yellow-orange flames. Floor Masters. Camera just doesn't want to focus. Doesn't want to cooperate. The interior is gray, I think. Blue-gray, I don't know. Let's do this Porsche 911 GTS RS. This is how this one looks like. Uh-oh! I dropped the car. Anyway, it's like this fire red color. It's like a racer thing. It has that sports thing. I forgot what they call it. Sports wing. That's what they call it. I don't know. You can tell it has that orange underglow to it. Black and white rims. Headlights. And let's finish off the cars with this McLaren P1. This is my favorite because it's yellow. Gray rims. It's the logo in the front. The back part. Black roof. We have 2 trucks left. I'm gonna go with this one. This 17 Ford F-150 Raptor. So let's do this one. This is how that one looks like. And it's like strawberry. No, there's ruby red, orange, whatever they call them. I don't know. Tires, Flowmasters, Ford logo. Not the logo, but the word. It's Raptor. So that one looks like. It's another monster truck. And let's end up this review. This 1983 Chevy Blazer 4x4. This how this one looks like in this nice cerulean blue. So red, orange, and yellow stripes on it. Hot Wheel logo. Blue interior. Blue windows, I think. Yeah, blue windows thing. 4x4. Truck 1983. And it rolls pretty nice, actually. So that's it for this review, and stay tuned whenever part 4 comes out. So yeah. Doesn't want to focus. Get over there, you. So this is it. So see you later, guys. All these treats. Better go enjoy myself. Bye.